Let's go. We got a dog leash here. See it? Here we go. We're going for a walk. Come on, let's go. Walking the doggies. Yeah. They're crazy looking dogs, ain't they? Yeah. Yeah, that one out there squawking like crazy wants to be in on the ride. Yeah. Come on, let's go. We're going through the house. All right. Let's go. Yeah. All right, here's the living room. All right. Okay, we're going back now. All right, come on, let's go. Let's go. Look at the speed bump. Got to get that rug stretched out. Oh boy. Oh, listen to Tiki. Tiki's freaking out up there. Yeah, he wants in on the action. All right, back to the room. Where's Tiki at? Oh, I hear him. I hear Tiki. Tiki wants in. Tiki wants in on the action. Here we go. You're ready to bail out. You know you're stable bound, right? Yeah, see? Look, he knows the ride's over, buddy. Yeah. Listen to Tiki. Tiki wants to get in that box so bad. Yeah. Yeah. Tiki wants to get in that box so bad. Yeah, you hear him? He said, let me in there. Let me in there, he said. I want in. He's going to bop me. Yeah, he's camera shy. Yeah? Poor Tiki. Poor Tiki. Look at him fluffing them feathers up. Yeah. Poor Tiki. He doesn't get in on the ride.